Hello everyone. Today we are going to make flower pot in Blender 3D. So we start with the base of the pot. First take cube and then make an inset on the top of it and just extrude it to the z-axis. Then we will make border for the pot. So just we will cut it and then extrude from all side except z axis. So here is the base of our pot. Then we will apply subdivision solidified and we will make some loops or to justify this shape like this. Yeah. So now, as we already gave our pot the loops, it is the base. Now we will make the pot stem. So we will start with cylinder and make the 3 cut loops. In this cylinder, and we just tweak them so just will look like kind of stem. And now we will apply subdivision solidifier. Okay, now it's completed. Now we make it to the pot and now we will make the leaves for the stem. We will start with the cube and just to give its structure we just have to apply subdivision solidifier and then cut loops. Okay, yeah, this is it. Now we will put it in the function. Yeah, okay. Now we will just give it little more neat look. We will attach it to the stem and just to make it more look like a leaf. Yeah, right there. Okay. Now we will copy it and paste it to the other side too. So yeah, my pot has 2 leaves. Now as from further video tutorial of my flower, I already have my flower model, so I will just copy it and to move it to the scene collection. So I will place and to resize it according to the pot. So yeah, like that you can guys adjust these flower according to you. So just little rotate and yeah, I think we have to just make it more like, okay, we will just this go here and just stand to this. Okay, and now our pot is ready. Now we will just apply light, camera and flooring to it, and now we will give it to the pot the material. So now yeah, we will divide it into this section so you can see it like clearly over there. I will make the changes in this part. Now we will give material to our stem and our leaves. You can give color according to your choice. Now we will just copy it to the other leaves too, just like this. Copy. Okay, now we will give material to our pot. Make sure you rename the material name so you will get not confused. Now some little staging thing for our pot so it will not look too empty. Okay, now we will press solidify and I will check it's normal. So yeah, here. Okay, I will auto smooth it. Now I will give it inset on both sides, top and bottom. Yeah, this is it. And just also give some placement. Yeah, correct. Now you can position it also the camera according to your choice, and now give it to material. So yeah, we are completed our flower pot tutorial. Thank you guys. Keep learning.